That's mama boy.
What's up, everybody? The 1TL here, and we're gonna be replacing the headlight bulb for the TL. So I know some people like to go for the LED conversion, but I'm just gonna replace these with these. Give me a second. These D-Max 6000K xenons off Amazon. And yeah, so I already went ahead and got the battery off the driver's side. That should be easy. You just take all the bolts, terminals, and all that, and yeah, that just pops out, lift it off. But anyway, so the headlight. The headlight is right there. That's the bulb right there, inside there. And it looks like the previous owner of this car already tried to replace it or something. You can see the cover is already halfway popped off. So just gotta take it off fully. It's difficult. A little creative. Oh yeah, you gotta pop off this connector first. And then it should just pop off, right? Wrong. Pull the shit out of it. I finally got it out. So this is our igniter. I don't know if you can see it, but we gotta pop that off the actual headlight bulb itself. There we go. Popped off. There's our old bulb. The fact that it's stuck inside the igniter itself is alarming, because it's supposed to be inside the housing itself, but I can't do shit about that. Anyway, let's get the new bulb. Alright, so I was finally able to remove the bulb. Took a little bit of coercion with the pliers, but yeah, it's out, so that's all that matters. Let's go ahead and put this new one in. Put it in the same way the other one was. There we go. Press it in there, make sure it's tight. There we go. Let's go ahead and try to put this back inside, because this is not the way you're supposed to do this. You're supposed to, well, if I was doing this the way you were supposed to do it, I would have taken off the bumper or something, but I didn't, so. So now we gotta maneuver. Alright, there's the hole I was looking for. That's what she said. Pretty fun. Alright, so I finally got the headlight into the springs. Let's go ahead and pop on our igniter now. Give me a sec. So I think that should be it. The question is, I don't know if I'll... Yeah, actually, let me just leave this cover off. No, actually, no. Take this and put this cover back. And put the battery on. And we're gonna see if it worked. If it didn't, then we're gonna have to do it all over again, which is, you know, always a joy. Alright, let's see. Be back. Put the battery back on. Alright, so I just put the battery back on for the most part. So put the bracket back on, but whatever. We're gonna test the light and see if it's good. Yeah, we're gonna go and test the light. Let's go and just... Here we are, there's the light. Looks pretty bright. Obviously it's daytime, so it's gonna be a little hard to really realize until later, but let's turn off the fog lights. So we can just see the headlight, and let's turn on our high beams. Let me just leave this right here. See?